Want to make restaurant-quality fried rice at home? Today, we're breaking down the best techniques to get perfectly fluffy, flavorful, and crispy fried rice. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering fried rice techniques, from choosing the right rice to expert wok frying, so you can make the perfect fried rice every time. Let's get started. First up, choosing the right rice. Day-old rice is your best friend. Its drier texture prevents sogginess. When it comes to grain type, short grain rice is chewier, while long grain rice is lighter and fluffier. Make sure to prep your rice by spreading it on a tray and refrigerating it overnight for the best texture. Now, let's talk about key ingredients and prep. Aromatics are a must. Garlic, scallions, and onions add incredible depth. Cook your eggs separately for a light and fluffy texture. For protein, shrimp, chicken, or tofu, add heartiness. And remember, avoid watery veggies to prevent steaming. Mastering the wok technique is crucial. High heat is key. It ensures proper caramelization. Cook in stages to prevent overcrowding and maintain that perfect crispiness. Use the right oil. Peanut or vegetable oil works best due to their high smoke points. And remember, toss. Don't stir. This keeps the rice moving and evenly coated in flavor. Seasoning? Let's keep it simple. Soy sauce and oyster sauce add umami without overpowering. A bit of salt and pepper keeps flavors balanced. And a touch of sesame oil at the end enhances aroma without burning. Final touches and plating are where it all comes together. Garnish with scallions and sesame seeds for freshness and crunch. Don't forget, those crispy bits are the secret. Let some rice sit for extra crispiness. And serve hot. Fried rice is best enjoyed immediately. Now you know how to make the perfect fried rice at home. What's your favorite fried rice ingredient? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more Asian recipes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and kitchen hacks.